Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 17. The biggest story of the day is from the Democratic Senate, a 24-hour post-cloture debate against RFK Jr. If you didn't know about it, I'm unfortunately not surprised. I haven't seen many news outlets or influencers talking about it. You can watch it live on PBS on YouTube. We are now up to 30 senators who have spoken. This should literally be the biggest news of the day. Chris Van Hollen of Maryland is one of my favorite senators. If you remember back on January 20th, Secretary Rubio was confirmed unanimously, which was a huge mistake. And Van Hollen is the first senator to own up to it. I hope many other Democrats follow in his footsteps. Rep. Becca Balint from Vermont didn't post a photo of answering the phones when constituents called, but rather she posted a video. And I love that because it's more transparent. There's no possibility it's staged. Representative Robert Garcia of California 42 argued that MTG showed an eggplant pic. So he could too, but instead of showing a real eggplant, he just showed Musk. I love him, I love him, I love him. Ted Lieu, California 36, had a town hall last night. And if you couldn't attend, that's okay, because the whole thing is on YouTube. I was surprised to learn that he doesn't totally get it. But now all his constituents know exactly what they need to be calling him about. And I really liked how he reminded us to watch what they do, not what they say, especially when it comes to following judicial rulings. Because for the most part, they actually are. As you know, the DNC has this new series, What Democrats Did Today. But if you notice, one of the 5 things is at state level, and one of them is at county level. The previous DNC did not care about local politics, but this one does, and they make that clearer and clearer every single day. And finally, Jeffries announced a new rapid response task force and litigation working group, which will be chaired by Joe Neguse and co-chaired by Rosa DeLauro, Jamie Raskin, and Jerry Connolly. It seems to be a way to streamline lawsuits to make them faster and stronger. And anything Raskin and DeLauro are part of, I have immense faith in. So yeah, Dems are doing the work. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Your voice is your superpower, but only when you use it.